on the dark world. This is episode 3. My name is SINIYA KWIFARASHI. Remember to make subscribe to our YouTube channel, SINIYA Official TV, and press the icon bell by watching new episodes by every day. This is the previous on the dark world. They betrayed their teammate, the dark world, episode 3, and also they killed him to be populated in the chest. He was called a temple. This has happened before, few years ago. It's General's Tiger flashback. We are still watching episode 3. But it seems like he was not already dead. He was still alive. But our first mission, guys, here is now today. This is not a flashback. Here is now today. His team. We must find our teammate Temple, the one who tried to kill. It seems like they know he was not dead. He is good from us, among us, by finding treasure, by finding things, by locating things. We must find the temple.
Guys, you ready?
Ready? Yes, sir, we are ready.
You ready? Yes, sir.
Let's move. No! He entered the black matter. They must go to find the temple. He was one of them, but they betrayed him, they cheated him, and they tried to kill him, but he was not dead. But here is Temple now today. Temple is alive, he is not dead. No, he is here in Kigali City. He was on dead by with his girlfriend. He started a new life. He was not dead. It's Temple. You know listen? It's only surprise. I love you, boo. You can't hate me. No, you love everything from me. Last days they disturbed us. I didn't like them. That's why you are here now. They are on date. Temple and his girlfriend. Sinkai my culture make you smile. Don't lie to me, baby. You want me to make you remember how we start dating each other? Yeah, it's okay. Make me remember. But I think it's not necessary to remember. I think it should. Good things. Now we are together. We are lovers, husband and wife. They are on date. General Tiger returned to the field with his teammates, with his mercenaries.
Yes.
They are here in Kigali City to find the temple. They betrayed him, and also they tried to kill him, but now he's alive. They are here. Guys, you must find the piece of map. This piece of map.
Yes.
And then they lost the sword. Valuable sword. Temple is a good one among us by fighting or by locating the treasure and the lost things.
Yes.
Now we want him to our side. Even if before we tried to kill him and also betrayed him. Boss, but I remember we killed him. Temple is dead. You are full man. Temple is always to the social medias. He is alive, he is not dead. He's still alive. He's here and he's alive.
You are my wife.
He is on date with his life, with his wife. I don't like to be disturbed, baby. That's why we are here alone. and you are in my heart forever,
nyagasani yadushoboje
and you are my life, you are my sweetheart.
none se ujya kuboneka.
So now are you here, or you are gonna leave me again?
kuri telefone nakubwiye ngo ngiye
Remember,
kufi amezi
I told you to be mobile phone. I called you and I told you I have 3 months now.
Bisqualite bidebye
Nyine.
bikagutuka ukaburagiye.
Babe, it's okay. Now we are together.
vuga ngo
Now I'm saying
yabaye ubu ubu sinzi nanjye ngo haba hazakurikira iki
now I don't know what will be next, but the next thing we are together now. Guys, I'm coming. Wait for me.
okay ikina none marembo neza
Bad. Going to buy something to drink.
mirakarita
They are here.
tukumwe bwa mukuru
You must find temple. Temple. Gonna help us to find those piece of map, and then we'll find the lost sword, valuable sword.
hari inkono niba neza yes nubwo nari sikari muzima
I didn't know he's still alive, mate.
ubwo ari ku mbuga
I was thinking he was already dead. Sir, they are saying about the temple. Hello, shopkeeper. Are you good? Yes, I'm good. I want something to drink, which is called. We'll burn into the supermarket, buy something to drink. Also, it is the supermarket where Temple and his wife are now. It's the same supermarket. Keep watching. It's episode 3. Temple! Help! Love, what's happened? Help! Seems Temple so couldn't burn. Is the one? He was the one from the mercenaries. They tried to kill him. They betrayed him. Wife, let's go. Stay here. Stay here. I'm coming. Oh, they abducted Temple's wife. General Tiger and his team, they abducted Temple's wife. Chopper! Start running after them. They took his wife. They abducted his wife. We must save him. You know them. They worked together before. He was one of them. They betrayed him. They tried to kill him, but he survived. When Bran ran after Temple, Temple ran after the car. The car took his wife. Oh, it's a General's Tiger car. The man after his wife. He was one of them. But now they are all his enemy, cause they betrayed him before, and also they tried to kill him, but he survived. Now they took his wife. They abducted his wife. Must save her. lot of temple. Where are you running to? No! General Tiger. He took Temple's wife. Listen to me carefully. Let me go. Shut up. Shut up. Listen to me carefully. You are good treasure. Which is gonna help us to find another good and best treasure we want. Now I got it. It's gonna be easy to find your husband. What I got you. It's gonna be easy to me to find your husband. And also your husband gonna help us to find the lost piece of map. And the lost piece of map gonna help us to find the lost valuable sword. Wife. He want his wife. Abducted his wife. Tempo down. General Tiger. The one of wanted actors superstar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I got him.
I got Temple.
Really?
Where? They got Temple and his wife. His wife, they are down. Keep watching. General Tiger. I have 2 points only. We choose. You bring my limit or I'll kill your girlfriend, your wife. Make me limit or I kill your wife. Choose what you gonna do. Come with us, but limit us, or we kill your wife. How the hell is you're gonna kill me? I want to help us to find the lost piece of map.
nta map mfite.
I don't have map. Okay, let me kill your wife. Wait.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Yeah.
Yes.
No. Easy bro. Easy.
Don't kill my wife. I'll help you to find the lost piece of map. But don't hurt my wife.
Ndashaka kumva amatwi yanjye
I wanna listen in my ears.
ahantu ngira icyamapa kiri.
You saying where I can find the lost piece of map.
Fuck yourself.
Fuck yourself.
You say you fuck me?
You said fuck myself.
That gun.
Give me the gun.
You want to go?
I'm gonna shoot his wife.
What boss?
No boss. We can't kill him. We want him alive.
Then I will get map. Seriously?
Let my wife go and then I'll help you to find the lost piece of map.
Yeah.
But before let my wife
Really?
go alive. Ready? Yes.
Let my girlfriend.
Let my girlfriend leave. Listen to me carefully. Listen, bastard. Don't ever try to cheat us. You must come and help us to find the lost piece of map. As you said, as we make an agreement. You understand? Yes. Don't try to cheat us. Or I'll be back and kill you and your wife. No! To be continued. Don't miss out next episodes. Remember to make subscribe and press the bell icon to Nojibu Official TV. I'm by name Siniya KWIFARASHI. Follow me on Instagram